Alright, so continuing from where we left off, in this prism that you have now, you can do various things to it. You can cut a hole into it as well. What you'll have to do for that is select the face. Say that we chose this face, right? And if you want, let's sketch a circle on it. After we select the face, we can just sketch a circle, and again it will be blue. So to make it go from blue to black, we have to define the diameter of the circle, which is the length from one side of the circle to the other. And over here let's say that's 0.02 from there to there, and then let's dimension it from each side. So we'll give it 0.025, and then here. Oh, alright. If you want to go back, just right-click on your mouse, and then press Escape Dimension. Oops, that's a bad idea. Okay, there we go. Just need to re-click that point if that happens. Okay, from here to there, we show 0.0175. And there you go, now you have your circle. So, to make a hole in the rectangle, or you can also extrude it, but to make a hole in your rectangle or prism, just select the remove option in your extrude table, and then you can say how much you want it to go down. So let's agree with this and say it's 0.025. And if you click the check mark, it will give us a hole that is 0.025 meters in depth, and there you can see right there. Okay.